You can now pay your loans online. More people are starting to think that they can do it on their own and that they are getting all of the convenience they need, and that is very true. In order to know how you can start the process, you will want to learn about how to apply for your loan online and get started. It is not as simple as you may think to get your student loans online. You will need to have a plan to follow. Here are some tips for making the most of your online application. Talk to the financial institutions you are applying from. These are places that are very easy to get information from. You should be able to get all of the necessary information you need from them. You can apply for an account with one of these banks. If you do, you will be given access to online banking accounts. The question you should ask yourself is whether you should apply from this institution or another. Could you apply for your student loans online without even knowing if you have enough money to get the amount you want? You could. Find out where you can get started, where to find all of the different student loan lenders, and what you need to do to get started. You will need to put in all of your personal information. The information you give will tell the lender which types of loans you qualify for. They will compare that information to see if you qualify and can then help you determine how much money you can afford to borrow. All of the information you give will be used to determine what loans you can qualify for. You can either go to a bank or lender and fill out an application on their computer. This may be the fastest way to apply online, but you still need to find a place to get started and make a plan for what you are going to do. When you apply for your student loans online, you may find yourself getting calls from many different places. Once you complete your application, you will be asked to answer a number of questions. This process takes time, and some lenders will even ask you to pay for any of the information you give them. If you want to make sure you have the best chance of getting your loans online, you will want to make sure you check each company out thoroughly. You will also want to find out what they will charge you for the application. It may be a good idea to have this info handy when you go to apply for your loan. If you are taking the time to complete the entire process, it will pay off for you when you get your loan. Not only will you get the money you need, but you will also be able to provide your children with the financial support they need. It is not as difficult as you may think to get your student loans online. There are many companies out there who can help you find the right deal for you.